How many you are using? How many you are using? How many variables you need? Is there anything example? Can anyone example? I want to declare a 60 students marks. Marks is of which type? Right. Generally, marks is which type?
Integer.
Integer. So, example?
Int student.
Very good. CR student. Anything legal maybe 50 student or 60 student. That is your wish. Use the syntax. How to declare an array. With size 60. Can anyone suppose height of 50 students? Can anyone height of 50 students? Height in general. Height is of which type? Float.
Height.
Of 60 students. 60. So how to accessing an array elements. How to accessing array elements. So how to access an array elements? This is a great advantage of arrays. Accessing is. Can you know what is the accessing type? It is an advantage of an array. Accessing of an array. Can anyone?
Indexing.
Yes, very good. Indexing. So what is the array name? With the square bracket index. Generally we are using I here. This is the syntax, yes or no? So what is the advantage of array accessing? Can anyone?
An element easy.
Random access. What is the random access? What is the sequential access? This is the difference between linked list and arrays. So that's why linked lists are not frequently used, but arrays are frequently used in programming. What is the random access? What is the meaning of random access? What is the meaning of random access? What is the meaning of random access? Anyone? Vinay? What is the meaning of random access? What is the meaning of random access? Suppose I'm having చెప్పండి ఎవరు
ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ అన్నా మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్ రాండమ్ గా బై
this is possible in any data structure, but random access is different. Suppose I'm having 60 students, 0 to 59. So with the name HT, height. What is the random access?
సరే ఇప్పుడు మధ్యలో ఎలిమెంట్ కానీ మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవాలని ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ ద్వారా మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్.
Very good. You can tell it in the common language. Tell the same thing in common language. Here, how much time you will take for the first number, and any number in the array is equal time. Taking equal time. You are getting my point here?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of random access? How much time it will take for the first element? Same time will be taken for accessing any element. But this is not happened in linked list. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In linked list, what happened? The accessing of the first element is very quick as last element. Very quick compared to very much difference is there. You are getting my point here. What is the accessing? Accessing is the benefit here. Accessing is a benefit. Yes or no? Agree with my point?
Yes,
So
sir.
example, random access example. A is the array name. A of I. The common I is index. Maybe A of 0 means here first element in the array. First element. A of 4 means fifth element. Yes or no?
Yes,
This is
sir.
first element and this is fifth element. Any doubt regarding accessing of array elements?
No, sir.
How to declare array element? Data type, space, name of the array, size. How to accessing it? Array name,
Index.
Similarly, how to read or how to write and how to assign array elements. After accessing, how to initialize. Can anyone tell me the initialization of an array? Initialization of an array. Can anyone what is the initialization of an array?
Three types.
Initialization of an array. Can anyone how to initialize an array? Initialization of an array. How to initialize? Suppose having 5 numbers, integer. What do you mean by initialization first of all?
Inserting element.
No.
Creating memory, sir.
No.
Memory, sir.
No. Can you know what do you mean by
Storing
initialization?
values in a variable.
No. What do you mean by initialization? What do you mean by assigning the value?
Calculating.
No.
మనం ఎన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తే దాన్ని బట్టి స్పేస్ తీసుకుంటుందా సార్?
No. What do you mean by initialization?
Initializing values to a variable.
ఆ వాల్యూస్ అన్నిటికీ ఒక వేరియబుల్ ని పెట్టడం.
No.
అప్పుడు నేమ్ పెట్టడం.
No. What do you mean by initialization means here giving values, assigning values or giving values at the time of declaration. You're getting my point here?
Yes, sir.
Beginning values. Simply beginning values. Giving values, maybe assigning the values at the time of declaration. Suppose you are writing here a of 3 is equal to 50. It is not initialization. What is this? What is this?
Accessing.
No.
Assigning.
Very good. Assigning. You must know about the values, good words. Assigning the values. What is this here? It is initialization. You are getting my point here? Vinay,
Sir,
what do you mean by initialization? Initialization,
giving values at the time of declaration.
when you are declaring, you are giving some value.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if a human is born, it is initialized with age is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So day by day is increasing the age. Next day plus 1 like that. What is the initial value? It is 0. So at that time you are giving values. So when you are giving memory, if you are where you are declaring, you are giving some values to the your array, then it is called as an initialization of an array. So what happened if some values is not given? I will see with you on example. Anybody is waiting here? Suppose int a of 5. Actually 5 numbers are declared, but I am giving only 3
Memory.
numbers only. What will if you print percentage d? How to accessing?
A of
Array name
I.
is
A of
A
I.
of
I.
Yeah.
Here one mistake is there. I am not declaring the value.
I value.
I. So what will happen? Can anyone expect the output?
1, 2, 3 Z some garbage values ఏమైనా వస్తాయి.
You check it.
ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది.
Why?
ఇంప్లికేషన్
Print print
ప్రింట్ ఎఫ్ పెట్టాలి సార్. పైథాన్ వచ్చేసి.
Python effect. 12300.
ఎస్ సార్.
If you give one value, automatically remaining values must be 0. You need to remember this. You are getting my point? You are getting my point here. If you are while initialization, if you are giving one value, remaining value automatically become 0. What will happen? You are not giving any values. Now you are guessing garbage values. You see. Sorry. Garbage values. Still it is 0, 0. Actually you were expecting garbage value. Yes or no?
ఎస్ సార్.
Pavan,
ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్.
if you are not giving any values,
బట్
any values,
షోయింగ్
my
0.
garbage value will come. Now what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage of arrays? Anything regarding this? Array declaration, array accessing of an array, how to initialize in the arrays. Next, what are the array types? Array types. How many types of arrays are there? Types of arrays.
ఎస్ సార్.
How many types are there?
3 types.
2 types.
What are they?
సింగిల్ డైమెన్షనల్ అరే.
multidimensional arrays.
సింగిల్ డైమెన్షనల్.
1 dimensional array, 1D array,
2D అరే. మల్టీ డైమెన్షనల్ అరే.
2D array,
మల్టీ డైమెన్షనల్ అరే.
multi-dimensional array. I think you know
1D and 2D.
multi-dimensional arrays.
NG.
See what do you mean by 1D array? 1D array.
సింగిల్ రో ఆర్ కాలమ్.
Single dimensional, it may be like this.
సింగిల్ రో ఆర్ కాలమ్ అంతేనా సార్?
Not single row.
ఓకే సార్.
Number of columns.
ఒరే జీవన్.
You maybe imagine like this.
Yes, sir.
What is a 2D, 1D? This is 1D array. What is a 2D array?
Rows
Two
in
dimensional.
columns.
Example, matrices. Yes or no? This is the imagination of a 2D array. This is 2D array. What is a 3D array? 3D array. Like this, you may have similarly more values. Fixed size is fixed. Yes. What is that?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
So we cannot change array size. Remember this word
dynamically.
at runtime. What is the meaning of this?
అంటే
When a
once
program is running,
we can't
we
change
cannot change
the.
it.
Yes, sir.
It is not possible to change it. So, what is the big disadvantage here? When declaring int of 100, you are reading the size. The size is only 2. What about the remaining 98?
Memory wastage.
Memory is wasted.
Wastage is more. Can you give me the real-time example? Suppose you are preparing a food
Only two
for a
members
function.
eat.
For a function, you have prepared 1,000 people. Suddenly rain came.
వర్షం వచ్చింది.
So all the food will be wasted now. Maybe very few people are may come. And remaining, this is a static memory allocation. Suppose if there is a facility, you are ordering the food at online, in the online. If they come, you are ordering, no wastage of food now. The facility is not there right now. Maybe Swiggy, Zomato is there still. They may have took time actually. The people are not ready to wait more time nowadays. I think you got my point. What is the disadvantage of so any other disadvantage of an array?
ఓన్లీ వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డేటాను స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాం.
Fixed array.
No. It's also fixed now. That's why it's static there. Both are same word, almost same, but it is professional or static. Are there any other disadvantage?
టైప్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూస్ సార్.
Suppose if you know the address of one element in the array, you can access remaining elements through indexing. You are getting my point? That's why pointers are not valid in advanced programming like Java. When they remove the pointers. Yes or not? Which languages? No pointers. Python, Java. You observed it?
Yes, sir.
In Java and Python, they are not allowed the pointers because once a pointer is pointing to an array.
C++ లో కూడా సార్.
Huh?
C++.
Or C++ pointers are there. C++ లో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. C++ pointers is there.
ఎస్ సార్ సి ప్లస్ ప్లస్ లో ఉంటుంది.
C++ is a superset of C. Means C is a subset of C++.
Increment, just increment only.
It's maybe diagram like this. This is C++. This is C. You are getting the point here.
సౌండ్ దగ్గర
All
బొమ్మలు
the
పెట్టుకో.
facilities available in C
లెమింగ్స్
is there available in C++.
Some pages are added.
Okay, na? Got my point? We will look at the programs. Now you can ask me. You are free to ask the programs. Sir, I need this program related to how to accessing, and I will write a program. Example. Sum of array elements. What is the sum of array elements? Suppose (13), 5, 6, 9. What is the sum of these array elements? 13 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9. How much?
దగ్గర
20, 35.
35.
తగ్గించేసి బొమ్మలు పెట్టుకో రికార్డ్
So
అయిద్దాం.
how to do program for this? Let you declare a variable S. Who will tell the program? So this is valid, okay? Or 10 numbers. So you are under you read the size. Okay, na?
వినబడుతుంది.
What is the first statement? Printf
Enter and value.
enter size. Yes or no? Scanf percentage D, comma, ampersand, N. Then after that, printf enter percentage D numbers, comma, N. You got the meaning of this? Now, or you write a for loop, ampersand A of I with scanning. Yes or no? Reading scanf. So what is suitable here? Instead of 5,
ఎన్
Enter.
after that you make a sum. So you declare a variable S and S is equal to S plus A of I. So accessing na A of I means accessing. Then after that printf
ఎస్
sum equal to percentage D, comma S. Is this right? Program is right. Any mistake is there? Any mistake is there?
నో సార్.
Any mistake is there? Anushree, Jeevan.
Sir, చెప్పండి.
Any mistake is there? Shall we run it? We know the mistake. I know the mistake. Enter the size. I'm giving 5 numbers. 12, 2, 3, 4, 7. Sum is 28 is correct? Yeah. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 28 is correct. But some mistake is there. It is online, it is working, but in offline it cannot be worked. S must be initialized to 0. Sometimes the programs are platform dependent. In online, by default any value is 0. You are getting my point, Jeevan? Jeevan, what is the mistake here? S must be initialized to 0.
Yes, sir.
So I'm giving any problems related to arrays from your side, and I will tell how to deal it. Any problems? Vinay,
Sir.
you are getting the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then ask me some problems related to arrays. Any problems in the programs listed?
సార్ అరే ఎలిమెంట్స్ రివర్స్ లో ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేసుకోవాలి చెప్పచ్చు.
Some of all array elements insert in array or delete in a element largest and smallest. Largest and smallest. How to find out the largest and smallest element?
ఎస్ సార్.
Vinay. Largest and smallest of an array element. Vinay, how to find out the largest and smallest in an array? So many elements are there. Maybe any values 100, 5, 3, 1, 218. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 46 elements. So n is equal to 6. So how you are finding what is the largest element here? Vinay?
200.
200. What is the smallest?
1.
How you find it? How you tell that answer? మీరు ఎలా చెప్పగలిగారు?
కంపేర్ చేసుకొని
So you are comparing for which values?
అరే వాల్యూస్.
Array values in the beginning, take S small is equal to starting element. What is the starting element?
100 a of 0.
A of largest element. L is equal to A of
0.
0. So here next element will be compared with the smallest. Now what is the smallest element here? 100. Which is the smallest here? 100 or 5?
5 sir.
5.
So this is overwritten by 100 with
5.
5. Next 5 and 3 will be
compared.
So it is changed to what?
3.
3 and 3 and 1 will be compared.
1.
It is overridden by 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And compared with
200.
200 no changing because one is the smallest.
Smaller than
And so one is your answer. Agree? Similarly, it is 100 in the beginning. You are compared with 5, no change because 100 is big. You are compared with 3, no change. You are compared with 1, no change. You are compared with 200, 200. Now we change it to 200. And compared means you are using a for loop. You are comparing every time. Your answer is 200. So these many calculations are done in your mind. Then only you can tell the correct answer. Agree? When I agree,
Yes, sir.
all those comparisons are done in your mind. Then only you can tell the. So this will prove you your mind is very sharp than systems. Agree? So to tell that the programming, what is the program for this? Anyone? Yes, size is okay. The small is S L S or no? Size, enter the size, okay. Enter percentage numbers, okay. Reading all the numbers is okay. After that, after that, once you got the array elements, reading is over. What is the calculations?
S is equal to A of 0.
Very good. S is equal to A of 0. Very good. Inka,
L is equal to A of 0.
L is equal to A of 0. Very good. After that, calculation started. Yes or no? You are comparing every element. Every element. You compare with which values?
If
When you change it.
A of
No, when I.
okay, sir.
Comparing. When I.
Sir.
Comparing with whom?
Elements are array elements.
Array elements. Array of what? You can start with 1. Yes or no? Here.
A of 1. Yes, sir.
So A of I. A of I
Less than
less than less than you compare with smallest element. Smallest element is less than
A of I, sir.
then small is changed to what? Small is changed to when I use your brain, little brain. If current small is less than means your current is it is correct or not wrong? It is wrong, na? If small is
Less than A of I, the wrong, sir.
you see when you are changing ఎప్పుడు చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నా
ఒకవేళ
if s is student s is greater than
greater than
if s is greater than your a of I you are comparing a of I then you change it, na?
yes, sir.
So what is the correct?
S is greater than A of I.
And the next one, if L is
L is greater than A of I, less than A of I.
your current less, your current largest is less than
A of I.
a of I. Vinay, you know how to write the program. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా రాస్తారా?
Yes, sir.
సో లార్జెస్ట్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్?
L is equal to A of X.
ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ టు బి ప్రింట్? ఏం ప్రింట్ చేస్తారు?
Smallest and largest numbers.
Smallest is equal to percentage D and
Largest.
largest is equal to percentage D
L
S
comma
comma
L.
comma
L.
L. Size 5, you give the numbers when I use. So what is the expression?
1 comma 200.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
పైన సార్.
Okay. Any other programs related to this? Give me some problems to me.
సార్ ప్రింటింగ్ రివర్స్ ఆఫ్ అరే ఎలిమెంట్స్.
Printing reverse of array elements. When I write the program. When I
Sir.
reverse of array elements. Is there any tough here? Suppose the array is A. One, two, three, four, five. Reverse లో print చేయాలా? Reverse the content of the array.
రివర్స్ లో ప్రింట్ చేయాలి సార్ ఒక్కొక్క ఎలిమెంట్.
Reverse the
ఎస్ సార్.
reverse the content of the array.
అవును సార్.
Means after that your program A will be changed like this. ఇలా జరగాలి కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When I what we will do? Change it. When I logic, explain the logic. Right. ఏం జరగాలి చెప్పు. వినయ్.
Sir. ఉన్నాను సార్.
ఆలోచిస్తున్నా. Swami, what is the necessary action? You want to reverse the content of an array. ఏం జరగాలి? Anyone?
I minus n.
N minus
n minus I sir.
First tell me the theory and after that code.
సార్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు
-1 ఎలిమెంట్స్ సార్ n-1 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. లూప్ n-1 వరకు వచ్చేసుకుని I minus
No. I will not accept your answers. Theoretically, what will be happened?
సార్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ కి వస్తుంది సార్.
చెప్పండి.
లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫస్ట్ కి వస్తుంది సార్.
Here, this will be this and this
స్వాపింగ్.
will be swapped, and this will be
స్వాప్.
swapped, and this is the middle is swap with itself. Then the task completed, yes or no?
yes sir.
Vinay,
సార్
అంతేగా జరగాలి అందులో.
అంతే సార్.
So what is the expected code here? I is equal to 0, j is equal to anyone.
n sir.
This you
n minus
n minus 1.
as
n minus 1.
n minus 1. Then while like a quick shot lo untadi quick shot lo I less than j, you are swapping with a of I and a of j. How to swap it? T is equal to
a of i,
of I,
a of j equal to
a of I is equal to
A
j,
of j.
a of j,
a of j equal to
a of j
t.
is equal to
t.
t. Okay, swap is completed. Then I is j is moved to here and I is moved to here. For that what to do? When I only ఏం జరగాలమ్మా?
సరే ఏంటి సార్ అర్థం కాదు ఒకసారి
I నెక్స్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, j ప్రీవియస్ వచ్చేది.
t of j is equal to a of I సార్.
No, I plus plus j minus minus.
రైట్ రైట్.
You are getting my point? Swap these two values and move to the next value. I will move to next value. J is move to the previous value. ఇక్కడ previous కి వెళ్ళాలి కాబట్టి I minus minus. So anyone is having problem regarding this logic?
No sir.
Yes, I am correct. My approach is correct or not?
yes sir.
First, you no need to tell the code. First, what will be happened in the logic. From that, you can build the code. Because of this only, you can write the code now. What is going inside the array? The same thing I wrote it. So, what is the code? So, now remove this. Okay. Enter size, percentage in numbers. Scanning is okay. Okay, read the numbers is okay. No need of this. I is equal to what? I is a unit two variables.
0.
I comma j. When I is equal to
0. I is equal to 0. I less than 1.
j is equal to
j is equal to
n minus 1.
n minus 1.
Now what is the code? While I less than j. Swap. Sir, not swapping. T is equal to a of I,
A of I.
a of I is equal to a of j. A of j is equal to t. Any doubts? And then I will move to next. J is moved to.
A minus 1. A minus 1.
So after that, you need to print the array. What is the code? Array print చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి మా వినయ్? So how to print the array elements? Vinay, what is the code here? Expected code here? Same right?
A of I. A of I.
Don't forget the basics. Basics strong, must be strong. Shall we run the code? Any changings are there? I think T is not declared. Hmm? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. On to 3, 4, 5. Reverse down or not?
ఎస్ సార్
Pavan.
ఎస్ సార్ అయింది సార్
Reverse the content. Question clarity ఉండాలండి. Okay, na?
ఎస్ సార్
I will tell the wrong answer now. Some people will do like this. Sir, it's the same na. కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇదంతా చేయకుండా ఫులిష్ థింగ్
ఫర్లో పెట్టి ఎన్ మైనస్ ఐ
ఫర్లు బిగినింగ్ విత్ n-1 I is greater than
ఎన్
or equal to 0
మైనస్ మైనస్
I minus minus అని పెట్టేసి చూడు మన అవుట్పుట్ సేమ్ లా ఉంది కదా
ఎస్ సార్
అవును సార్.
యాక్చువల్లీ కంటెంట్ ఇస్ నాట్ రివర్స్డ్ మీరు మ్యారేజ్ చూపించారు అంతే రివర్స్ అయినట్టు
జస్ట్ అలా చూపిస్తాం అంతే సార్ అది నిజానికి ఆ వాల్యూస్ అలాగే ఉన్నాయి
కంటెంట్ ఇస్ ద సేమ్ అరేలో మెమరీ లొకేషన్ ఏం చేంజ్ అవ్వదు memory is not changed you print in reverse from the beginning to ending you print instead of from beginning to ending back to beginning print చేసినట్టు అంతేగాని కంటెంట్ will not be changed when I wrong assumption ఓకేనా రివర్స్
దానికి దీనికి తేడా ఏంటి సార్? అంటే
మెమరీలో ఏం చేంజ్ అవ్వదు హియర్ the array content is 1 2 3 4 5 only I am not changing any values here I am reverse print ni reverse చేశా మనం ఇక్కడ నుంచి పట్టుకుని eyes accessing like this ఇది కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ content will not be changed array is only not like this array will remains like this only print it reverse మీరు ప్రింట్ చేసినట్టు అంతేగాని రివర్స్ కంటెంట్ ని రివర్స్ చేయలేదు you got my point here?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
You got my point here?
ఎస్ సార్.
Actually not happened. If you are
ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నా అంతే సార్.
print చేస్తున్నారు అంతే reverse లో. That is the question is different from this question. Any questions like this? Any questions? You see this. Shorten and largest to delete an element, square matrix, remove duplicates. Okay, remove duplicates. Make work is everybody. Remove duplicates. Only right.
రేపటి కోసం
Okay. Now, anything else?
లీనియర్ సెర్చ్ ఏదో చెప్తానన్నారా సార్
Okay, linear search. So here, what is a linear search?
దీని
What is a linear search here? An array is there. name is A 0 1 2 3 4 5. You're giving in a searching element called key, maybe 3 or 5. What is the linear search is here? The key value will be compared with the beginning, matched. Matched is okay, found it. If it is not matched, move to the next element. You compare with 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 the next element, and so on. If it is not matched, then move to the next. Otherwise, you stop it. When you are cutting my point,
Yes, sir.
you are searching linearly one by one, element by element. That's what is called as linear search. Very simple algorithm. So can you tell me the code? The beginning element, a for loop, pseudocode. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. You are comparing. What is the comparison? Comparison చేస్తారు.
Key element to key element k is equal to
Double equal to array element ఏంటి?
e of 0 first e
A
of
of 0 is here, A of
I.
very good, very nice. If it is matched, then
Print element found.
printf element found over completed. So break it, break the loop. Break is necessary because task completed. Finally, no found here. So when you print not found,
Yes. If k of
no.
k is equal to k not equal to a of
I will reach to end. What is end?
n.
I double equal to n.
N.
Print not found.
వినే మీకు అర్థమైంది అర్థం కాలేదు.
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఎప్పుడు డిసైడ్ అవుతుంది నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అని?
లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ రీచ్ అయిపోతాయి.
నాట్ మ్యాచ్ విత్ దిస్, నాట్ మ్యాచ్ విత్ దిస్, నాట్ మ్యాచ్డ్, నాట్ మ్యాచ్డ్, నాట్ మ్యాచ్డ్. సో if not matched, I is will become 6 na, then it will stop. So I is double equal to n. Write the code now.
n minus 1
Hmm?
n minus 1 కాదు సార్.
No, n minus 1 means in the last. When I tell me the code, ఇందాక రివర్స్ కంటెంట్ పంపించాను మీకు.
పెట్టారు సార్, పెట్టారు.
పంపించేసి
Now changing key. No J required here. I only required enter size numbers. Scanning ikkada common. After that,
if start అవుతుంది.
no.
అదే I is equal to
Reading key. Key value read చేయాలిగా.
enter key.
Enter key value.
Key value.
ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుంది? Absent.
Key.
Okay, now searching process will be started. For loop na simply.
Yes, sir.
What is for loop? Linear search for loop.
For I is equal to
0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then
if key double equal to a of I,
then
print key found.
Key found at ఎక్కడ ఫౌండ్ అయింది?
A of I.
Found at percentage D.
Percentage.
దొరికింది అది I plus 1.
I place.
I plus 1. ఎందుకంటే 0 కదా, ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ అంటే 1 అంటాం.
Yes, sir.
And break it. Break the loop. Finally, when it is not found,
If I double equal to n.
if you got this logic, very good. Printf
not found.
Check it. What is the key value? Key
7.
is the different.
7.
4 rounds.
4 is the other output.
Key.
Vinay,
Key found.
Key found and rounds.
key found at
3.
AF3. AF4 rounds.
Key found
key
at
found
4.
at 4
4.
position, 4th అని ఏమొచ్చిందో చూడు. Key found at
4.
4th place. Key found at 4. ఇప్పుడేనా వాళ్ళు
Key not found.
key not found na?
Yes, sir.
Any question like this? Any question? Any question?
సార్ 1D అయినా 2D అడిగినా పర్లేదా?
2D array means
2 dimensional.
2 dimensional. Good question. 2 dimensional కదా. We need to search an element.
Yes,
How
sir.
it's possible? Can anyone write the code for this and send to me? I will give you 1 minute time. I will the previous code.
Okay, sir.
You beginning with this. Next this value. Next this value. Next this value. Next this value. Next second row. First element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, and so on. Then only finally, if you search the last element, then you can decide not found. So when what is the code here?
అదే సార్ if AF I into J is equal to key అయితే
Read M. Okay, MN 2 dimensional. How to read the 2 dimensional array? I loop. Yes or no?
J loop. Yes, sir.
J loop. You scan F I J. Yes or no? Absent
AF
F I J.
IJ.
I J means 2 dimensional array. After that,
If AF I into J is equal to key.
again 2 for loops. For loop. I loop. For J loop. If F I is yes or no?
Yes, sir. If AF J is equal to key.
Key. Then find where?
Element found.
At percentage D ij. And then
IJ. Yes, sir.
okay. Finally, when you what is the where it is not found? Where it is not found? ఎప్పుడు ఫైండ్ అవ్వలేదని చెప్తాము. ప్రీవియస్ గా ఏం చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాలి ఇఫ్
ప్రీవియస్ గా అయితే n చెప్పాను సార్. 5
n
ఈక్వల్ టు n. ఇప్పుడు
ఎలా చెప్పాలి I double equal to something J double equal to something sir no
yes sir.
agree
Yes sir.
I is reached to J is reached to here and I is reached to here sir no means I
Yes,
is
sir.
ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తుంది means here m plus 1 m so can you tell me the code
సార్ వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టే చూడండి సార్
Yes,
ఒకసారి
sir.
అది.
so how to declare two dimensional array Vinay
I j out తీసుకోవాలి సార్ మనం.
no two dimensional array declaration
10 double values.
variables size m comma n enter the size of
జే కి కే కి కామా పెట్టలేదు
కామా ఇవ్వలేదు సార్ మధ్యలో.
జే అండ్ కీ వాల్యూ
size of 2D array percentage d ampersand
m కామా m%.
enter
కీ
ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఎంత సైజ్ చెప్పాలి కదా n by n then for j is equal to 0
j less than m.
j less than n m n కదా
n సార్ అంటే అప్పుడు మరి పైన m అవుతుంది.
change it j plus plus for I index m okay na
ఓకే సార్.
you read it what is the expected statement next
Scan of read m comma n.
no percentage d scanf percentage d ampersand two dimensional array
ఓకే సార్.
f I say ampersand
a of ij.
okay na next enter the key s ఇక్కడ changes
i n ప్లస్ m అంటే మళ్ళీ j లోపు j is equal to j.
j is equal to 0 j less than
n
and j plus plus ఇక్కడ comparison
a of ij is equal to key sir.
t
Key is
found at
ఎక్స్
a of percentage d
d
comma
ఎం జే ప్లస్
j plus 1 I plus 1 j plus 1 break it if I double equal to m
అండ్
and j less than double equal to n
n.
two array మనకి వద్దు టైం వేస్ట్ 3 ఓకేనా ఆ నంబర్స్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 సెంటర్ ద కీ వాల్యూ 5 ఎక్కడ ఉంది
మధ్యలో
a of 2 comma 2
2, 2 or 3, 3.
1,
2, 2 sir.
1, 1.
Indexing.
2, అదే 2, 2
2,
వచ్చు.
1 sir.
2, 2.
2, 2.
కీ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అని కూడా ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది సార్.
కీ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అని రాకూడదు.
ఎక్కడ తప్పు చేశాను సార్.
కీ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ ఇస్ a mistake. Mistake na?
ఎస్ సార్.
Correct it. Someone?
M-1 no sir.
No. Programming is not trial and error. Already told you. Programming is not a trial and error. What is the mistake here? Brake is properly working or not? అలా రాకూడదు. Okay, now I got it.
సార్ ఇంకో బ్రేక్ పెట్టాలా?
No. Still same problem.
Sorry, M-1 ఇవ్వాలి.
M-1
అంటే సార్
దిస్ ఇస్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్. ఇక్కడ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వదు కదా. ఇది బ్రేకింగ్ సరిగ్గా వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు. బ్రేక్ లో ప్రాబ్లం అది.
సార్ అక్కడే బ్రేక్ దగ్గరే రిటర్న్ 0 పెట్టేస్తే
అయిపోతుంది. బయట వెళ్ళిపోతుంది బయటికి. కీ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అని చెప్తుంది.
అదే కదా సార్
కీ
మనకు
నాట్
కావాలి.
ఫౌండ్ అయితే అప్పుడు విల్ చెక్ ఇట్.
1 minute time sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8,
7,
9,
8, 9, 100 ఇచ్చా.
1 సార్.
నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అని రావాలి కదా.
సార్
కీ నాట్
వచ్చింది.
ఫౌండ్ is
ఆ
okay.
బ్రేక్ దగ్గర రిటర్న్ 0 అని పెట్టండి సార్.
Why is not properly? Brake is not working. బ్రేక్ ఎందుకు వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు? డైరెక్ట్ గా వచ్చేయాలి బయటికి.
ఎస్ సార్. సార్ ఆ బ్రేక్ అనేది ఒక లూప్ నుంచి బయటికి రావడానికి యూజ్ అయిద్దేమో సార్.
Then I will test myself. నేను వాల్యూస్ ఎక్కడికి వచ్చినాయి? Percentage D. Code is correct.
ఎస్ సార్.
Percentage D. Some technical problem is there. I will check the I value and J value. IJ ఎంత అయినా తెలిస్తే మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. It is a process of debugging. Debugging ఎలా చేయాలో కూడా తెలుసుకోవచ్చండి. ఇలా 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Key value 5. 3, 3 ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? అలా రాకూడదు. సరే, it will check for every item. Any problem here? J is equal to J, I loop, J loop. Brake will not be provided. Brake is not properly working. So anyone having compiler? Not online as offline turbo C2? We can trace it.
n-1 ఎంత అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
So here, whenever it is reached to
that
I is reached to here 1 1. Here you are found at 2 to 9. It will be stopped. ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ అయిపోవాలి.
సార్ ఒకసారి సార్ ఈ కండిషన్ లో ఒకసారి m-1
Simple solution is
return 0.
Return 0.
Sir,
It is a simple solution.
return spelling wrong రాశారు సార్. RETURN.
It is a simple solution.
Yes sir.
సార్
Exit బదులు అది
Why
వాడుకో.
break why is break is not working? That is my question.
బ్రేక్ సరిగా ఆన్లైన్ కంపైలర్ కదా
సార్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Huh?
అవుతుంది సార్.
Why it is not working in online? Break.
సార్ ఒకసారి సెకండ్ కోడ్ చూడండి సార్. తప్ప సార్ అది.
అరే జీవన్ గా నువ్వు జస్ట్ ఆ 3 ఆల్రెడీ M లో 3 ఉంది, N లో 3 ఉంది, అయ్యే ప్రింట్ అవుతాయి.
సార్ ఆ కోడ్ n-1 సార్ నేను m-1 అవుతుంది సార్ ఇప్పుడు.
You copy this. Return is a simple solution.
Yes sir.
Return is a simple solution.
మళ్ళీ N-1
Break is not working. Previously it is worked. I don't know what the reason.
అవుతుంది కదా సార్.
No.
అంటే నీ లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ రెండు లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్
again. Here already checked na 3 the values are 3 I know it is not printed na print avakoodu 3 వరకు వెళ్ళకూడదు అసలు actually in your program you print. So what is the need of break here? Already found. Why you waste your time? Loop must be break na element దొరికేసింది. Your element is found. Why still searching remaining elements? Waste of your computer time na. Pawan, you are getting my point here?
Yes sir, నేను గెట్ చేసేసా.
So Vinay,
sir,
you are getting? మీకు అర్థమైందా అని చెప్తుంది ఇష్యూ.
లేదు సార్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
Okay, you try remaining. Try to solve some problems and then ask the doubts. The next question. Pawan,
చెప్పండి సార్.
having this program list. Program list మీ దగ్గర ఉంది కదా?
ఉన్నా సార్.
Matrix addition, multiplication.
Yes sir.
Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Square matrix. Remove duplicates. Sort of an array. Sorting methods.
అరే అవి చేయమా సార్ మేము? అవి ఏమైనా హోంవర్క్ లా చేయమా సార్?
You do it.
Okay sir.
We'll discuss later. Okay na?
Yes sir.
Enough for today?
Okay sir.
Okay. You can leave the meeting.